Transform your home's exterior with a siding solution that combines beauty, durability, and low maintenance like no other. Introducing James Hardie's ColorPlus Technology. Stay tuned to uncover how this innovative siding can elevate your home's curb appeal and withstand the test of time. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, bringing you the latest in home exterior solutions since 1989. Today I wanted to talk about James Hardie's ColorPlus Technology siding, a game changer for homeowners seeking the ultimate combination of aesthetic appeal and longevity for their home's exterior. Let's explore what makes ColorPlus Technology the preferred choice for your siding needs. James Hardie ColorPlus Technology significantly enhances the durability of the siding, making it resistant to chipping, peeling, and fading. The controlled application process ensures a consistent, high-quality finish that stands up to harsh weather, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations better than standard paint jobs. And because the color is baked onto the siding, homeowners can enjoy years of bright color without the need for frequent touch-ups or repainting, saving time and money on maintenance. This process also contributes to the siding's environmental friendliness, as it reduces VOC emissions typically associated with on-site painting. James Hardie's ColorPlus Technology offers a rich variety of colors, designed to suit any homeowner's taste and complement any architectural style. This extensive selection makes sure that homeowners can find the perfect color to enhance their home's curb appeal and reflect their personal style. From soft hues to vibrant bold tones, each color is engineered to maintain its vibrancy and resist fading over time. Beyond color, James Hardie provides an assortment of siding styles, allowing homeowners to achieve exactly the look they envision for their home's exterior. Options include traditional lap siding, which offers a classic timeless appearance, shingle siding, ideal for adding texture and charm, and vertical siding, which can lend a modern look to your home. These design choices enable customization to fit a wide range of architectural designs. The initial investment in ColorPlus Technology siding pays dividends over time through reduced maintenance costs, longevity of the product, and sustained property value due to the lasting beauty and durability of the siding. James Hardie also stands behind their ColorPlus technology by offering a warranty that is comprehensive, covering peeling, chipping, cracking, and fading of the siding for a specified period, significantly longer than what's typically offered for traditional paint jobs. Homeowners can take comfort in the assurance that their siding's aesthetic and functional integrity is protected over time, making it a wise investment for the future. Ready to transform your home with siding that combines lasting beauty and unparalleled durability? Explore more about James Hardie's ColorPlus technology and how it can redefine your home's exterior by checking out the link above. Thank you so much for joining us as we explored all of the benefits and beauty of James Hardie's ColorPlus Technology siding. For more insights into the latest in home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.